In this video, we are going to go over a few of the page layout options. So let's start by going to the page layout tab. We're going to work in the page setup area. So we're going to go over margins, orientation, how to set a print area, as well as how to make all column headings repeat on each printed page. So we'll start. They told us they want our margins to be 2 inches on all 4 sides. So when we click margins, we see there's a couple default options already here, but we're going to go to custom. We are going to change the top, the right, and the bottom and left all to 2 inches. We're going to ignore header and footer because they did not ask us to change anything. If on the exam they tell you something specific, please go and do so. Click OK. Orientation, let's change that so it prints in landscape. Next, let's set our print area. So we want our whole sales report table. So that's going to be from B9 all the way to J29. And we're going to print area, set print area. What this means is when we go to print this page, all we will see is the area that we just highlighted. We won't see the image, the header, nothing extra. Lastly, let's repeat all of the column headings. So in this case, they all fall in row 9. So if we go to print tiles, we see right here, it says rows to repeat at the top. Let's go ahead and choose this little up arrow. We will select row 9 because that's where the headings are. Click enter and click OK. Now to quickly see what we just did, if we go to file print, we have a preview of how this is the only thing we're seeing and we're printing in landscape.